So redox reactions means
Oxidation and reduction.
The oxidation and reduction of a substance.
oxidation and reduction reactions. Santrishi, what do you mean by oxidation?
Oxidation is when a substance oxygen is added to a compound, ma'am.
Substance. It can be element or it can be a compound.
Okay, ma'am.
When substance gains oxygen or only oxygen?
It loses hydrogen.
Oh yeah, yes, ma'am.
Loses
the electrons.
hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Ma'am, can
Loses electrons. Yes. Reduction. Opposite of oxidation. That is the substance
gaining hydrogen and losing oxygen.
loses oxygen or gains hydrogen. Then that
Or
substance is said to be
gains electron.
gains electron. Then that substance is said to be reduced. Then oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent.
Loses electron.
Substance that the substance to get oxidized.
Loses oxygen.
Substance
That helps the other substance to get oxidized.
itself get reduced.
Give out oxygen.
Gets reduced by losing oxygen. Is said to be oxidized or gaining or hydrogen. Then that substance is said to considered as an oxidizing agent. And reducing agent.
The substance which gains oxygen.
Which gains oxygen. So reducing agent. Okay. Itself gets oxidized by gaining oxygen. Then that substance is said to be reducing agent. Okay. Then different conditions, different examples for oxidation, reduction, reducing agent, oxidizing agent, you have to know. So for that, I will write in the column form, then it will be easier for us. So reaction in that substance oxidized, substance reduced, oxidizing agent, and the next one is reducing agent. The reaction, first reaction you need to know is hydrogen is passed through copper oxide. It will form, what happens? When hydrogen is passed through copper oxide,
Cu plus H2O.
Cu plus H2O. So black color of the copper oxide get removed.
Yes,
So in this one, the substance which is oxidized. Name the substance which is oxidized. 1 second, wait. Hansika, can you tell? Hansika, can you tell?
Hydrogen
No sound. We are not getting any sound. Anisha? Anisha, are you there? No. Shilia?
Ma'am, H2 is oxidized here, ma'am.
H2 is oxidized. Hydrogen is oxidized. How can we say that hydrogen is oxidized?
Because in the product side, it has gained oxygen.
It has gained oxygen. So you have to write that is hydrogen is oxidized to form water by gaining oxygen. Remember always the question is asked, it is oxidized, name the substance oxidized or reduced. You have to write the reason also. You need to mention the reason. It is not needed that is only the compound name you have written and this one. You can write that this is oxidized and that one is reduced. So that will should not only work out. So you have to write the reason. If it is asked or not asked, doesn't matter. You have to mention reason also. So here it is, hydrogen is oxidized because it gains oxygen to form water. What is the substance reduced here? Shilia, complete the question.
Copper oxide is reduced to copper, ma'am.
Copper oxide is reduced to copper by? Why you say that is it is done? So it has?
Because it has lost oxygen.
Okay. So it has lost oxygen. What is oxidizing agent?
H2 is the oxidizing agent. No, sorry, ma'am. Copper oxide is the oxidizing agent, and hydrogen is the reducing agent.
Right. So substance which is reduced will work as oxidizing agent, and the substance which is oxidized which works as reducing agent. Okay. Zinc oxide plus carbon produce zinc plus carbon monoxide. Vishnu Maya,
Yes, ma'am.
substance oxidized.
Oxidized is C.
It has some name.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am. C is oxidized.
What is C?
Copper.
Copper. Very nice.
I'm
That's
sorry.
really very too much now.
Can I tell?
Yes, Ankur.
I'm pardon. Sorry. Pardon. My bad.
Ankur, answer.
Ma'am, carbon. Carbon is oxidized. Zinc oxide is reduced. Then zinc oxide is an oxidizing agent.
What is the
And
reason?
ma'am,
An oxidizing agent?
oxidizing agent, zinc oxide, ma'am.
Yeah, zinc oxide. Reducing agent?
Reducing agent is carbon.
Carbon. Reason? Why you can say
Ma'am,
that this
because
carbon is oxidized?
ma'am, we can say that carbon is oxidized because on the product side, the carbon is gaining oxygen from the zinc. And
Carbon has
we
gained
can
oxygen to form carbon monoxide.
carbon monoxide, and zinc oxide is reducing agent because reduced because zinc oxide is losing oxygen to form zinc.
Zinc oxide has lost oxygen to form zinc. So therefore we can say that zinc oxide is reduced.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nishant?
Yes, ma'am. Is
Oxidized?
some aluminum is oxidized because it gains oxygen.
Okay.
Iron is reduced because it
Iron
reduced. Iron oxide is reduced because it loses oxygen.
Okay.
Iron oxide is oxidizing agent because it gets itself reduced,
Okay.
and aluminum is reducing agent because it gets oxidized and help Fe2O3 to reduce.
Okay. Right. Mithun?
Ma'am, H2S is oxidized, ma'am.
H2S is oxidized. Why?
As it gains oxygen.
H2S has not gained oxygen.
H2 is gained, ma'am.
So how can we say?
Like what, ma'am?
How can we say H2S is oxidized?
It is oxidized to H2O.
So S, where the S has gone?
It has become sulfur.
H2S has not gained oxygen. No, H2 has gained oxygen.
Okay, ma'am.
That's wrong reason.
H2 has gained oxygen to become H2O.
No.
H2S has gained oxygen to become H2O.
No.
Ma'am, reason is wrong.
H2S has lost hydrogen.
H2S has lost hydrogen. H2S gas has lost hydrogen to form sulfur.
Ma'am, this question was in test also.
Yes.
I think I lost marks.
And what is reduced? Yes, Mithun, which is reduced?
H2S is reduced. Reduction. SO2 is reduced, ma'am.
SO2 is reduced. Reason?
SO2 is reduced as it loses electron to become
Electron, no. Anything in terms of electron you don't have.
O2.
Oxygen. So sulfur dioxide has lost oxygen to form sulfur. So therefore it is reduced. Both of them are forming sulfurs. Oxidizing agent?
Oxidizing agent SO2.
Reducing agent?
H2.
Huh?
H2S.
H2S.
Ma'am?
No, I'm checking next example. Okay, so what was the question? I don't remember the question. Varnika?
Ma'am, Fe2O3 is being reduced
What is
to Fe,
What is Fe2O3?
iron oxide.
Tell the name. In exam, you have to write the names of the compounds.
Iron oxide is being reduced.
Yes.
Ma'am?
No, ma'am, you have to write it under reduced iron oxide.
Okay.
And carbon is gaining oxygen. Carbon oxide is gaining oxygen.
Carbon
So
oxide or carbon monoxide?
Carbon monoxide is gaining oxygen. So that's oxidized. And the reducing agent is iron oxide. The oxidizing agent is iron oxide and reducing agent is carbon monoxide.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, this is ferric oxide, ma'am.
Ferric oxide, older name. Ferric and ferrous oxides are older names. Trivial name system that was. IUPAC name system, it is iron 3 oxide.
Iron 3 oxide.
Yeah, iron. Then in brackets, Roman 3,
Yes, ma'am.
and then oxide. That is a new naming system.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, FeO is?
Fe iron 2 oxide.
Yes, ma'am. There is no iron 1
There
oxide.
is no iron 1 is not there. Valency, depending on its valency, iron shows variable
Yes, ma'am.
valency of 2 and 3.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So 2 valency, iron 2 oxide, 3 valency, iron 3 oxide.
Yes,
These are the new names. Earlier one is ferrous and ferric.
Yes, ma'am.
With valency 2 is ferrous and valency 3 ferric.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write down this part.
Ma'am, there is no ferrous, no, ma'am.
Ferrous is there, no? Ferrous means with 2 valency.
Yes, ma'am. Like for ferrous sulfate, should we write iron sulfate?
Iron sulfate is new name. Older name is FeSO4. Ferrous sulfate.
Yes, ma'am.
And ferric sulfate is also there. Fe2SO4 thrice.
Yes, ma'am.
That is ferric sulfate. But these names we use earlier. Nowadays we use iron sulfate, iron 2 sulfate, and iron 3 sulfate.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see the amino 2 part. Journey mic working? Germany, is your mic working? No. Kirtana.
Yes, ma'am. So, hydrochloric acid is getting oxidized, HCl.
Reason?
Because it's gaining oxygen and losing hydrogen.
Losing hydrogen.
Okay.
To form?
Losing hydrogen to form H2O, water.
Oh, after losing hydrogen, how will it form H2O?
No, ma'am, to form chlorine.
Chlorine. It's chlorine only left out. Hydrogen has gone. So that means it has lost hydrogen. So therefore it is oxidized.
Yes, ma'am.
Then reduced?
And reduced is manganese oxide.
Manganese dioxide, MnO2.
Okay.
Oxidizing agent?
Oxidizing agent is manganese dioxide.
Reducing agent?
Reducing agent is HCl.
This is all about oxidation and reduction. Everyday life oxidation. 2 examples of everyday life oxidation examples.
Rusting of iron.
Corrosion and rancidity.
Corrosion and rancidity. So in corrosion, types of corrosions. What is corrosion means? Definition of corrosion is?
Heating up of a metal when exposed to atmospheric gases.
Heating up of a metal when metals are exposed to atmospheric gases, acids, bases, etc. is called as corrosion of metals. Examples of corrosion of metals?
Rusting of iron, time machine.
Rusting of iron. So rusting of iron is due to?
When it reacts with oxygen.
Oxidation.
Only oxygen.
And water. And water.
Sulfides and...
Rusting of iron is due to iron reacts with?
O2.
Oxygen and?
H2O.
Water, moisture, both. When iron reacts with air and moisture, both, then only the rust is formed. That is Fe2O3.XH2O. This is rust, which is non-flaky. It's flaky, non-sticky substance. Will get removed from the metal, and the further metal gets corroded, starts corroding again. Prevention.
Galvanization.
Galvanizing.
Lubrication.
Painting, greasing, galvanization,
Alloying.
alloying. Next example,
Tarnishing of silver.
tarnishing of copper. Copper get tarnished or loses its shine due to copper combines with
It forms copper carbonate, so it reacts with carbon dioxide.
carbon
water.
dioxide plus moisture, that is water, and forms copper carbonate and copper hydroxide, which is green coating. This green coating can be removed by green layer is removed by how to remove this green layer? What is the nature of this compound? What is the nature?
Nature in the sense.
These are basic in nature. Acidic nature means acidic, basic, neutral. Always remember the nature, right? The question is asked if the nature, write the nature of the substance. Then nature means it is whether it is acidic, basic or neutral that you have to write. These substances are basic in nature. So how to remove the bases? How to remove bases?
By adding acid.
By adding acid. So that means we have to make the react with the acid, that is rubbing with acidic substances. Rubbing with acidic substance. That is, in our house we have
Lemon and salt.
lemon or tamarind, etc. Then the third one is tarnishing. Tarnishing of silver. Tarnishing of silver is due to formation of
Silver sulfide.
silver sulfide, Ag2S. This is formed when silver combines with H2S gas. Hydrogen sulfide gas, and it will form the silver sulfide, which is black in color. And this is called tarnishing. Then aluminium, corrosion of aluminium.
Ma'am, how can we remove the tarnishing of silver, that black substance?
Reacting with bases, making it react with base.
Okay.
That is baking soda. We burn this when we boil silver jewelry, generally in baking soda. It gets removed, or you can wash it with the soap, detergents. Aluminium corrosion is beneficial because
it produces aluminum oxide, which is non-penetrable.
Aluminum oxide is formed, so this layer will stick to the metal
and will not let
it stick to the metal and do not allow the oxygen remaining aluminium to come in contact with oxygen. So no reaction with oxygen takes place. Okay, so this is about the corrosion and rancidity. What do you mean by rancidity?
spoilage of food.
Due to oxidation.
Fats or oil.
Spoilage of food takes place due to oxidation of
Fats or oil.
fats or oils. Write this full statement, one word by one. I'm asking question, one word. You are taking telling the answers. So tell the full statement. One question I'm asking, one answer is one word answer is coming. Again, another question is asking, another word is coming.
When the food gets spoiled due to oxidation of fats and oils, which results in the bad taste of food.
Yes, exactly right. Oxidation, food gets spoiled. Spoilage of a food takes place due to oxidation of fats and oils present in food, which gives bad taste and bad smell. Is called as rancidity. Methods of prevention of rancidity?
Airtight container, vacuum
Adding
packing,
antioxidants.
flushing with nitrogen, usage of antioxidants, and refrigeration.
Answers should be in full sentences.
Okay, ma'am.
Full sentence answer is needed.
By adding antioxidants to the food.
With example.
Ma'am, can we take pickle and salt, ma'am?
That is preservative. Preservative salt is used to prevent microbial growth.
Yes.
Antioxidant.
By storing food in airtight container so that oxygen will not be available for oxidation. This is
That's
called
why-
one full sentence. Airtight container. What do you mean by airtight container? Most of the students are writing answers like this. By vacuum packing. What is by vacuum packing? What do you mean by that? By vacuum packing?
Flushing nitrogen.
So flushing
Ma'am,
nitrogen what? Where
Flushing
you are flushing
nitrogen
Ma'am,
nitrogen?
when nitrogen,
into the tight container so that there's no connection with oxygen outside, which is not going to let it spoil.
Yeah, that's full properly. You have to tell that one and write also. Writing also, because you are telling like this, you are writing also the same way, and because of that, teachers won't give you marks for that. I'm not telling for myself. I don't need it. You will lose marks because of that. And in 10th, much more difference will be there. Still, you have not realized it because you are not written any subjective test. So that's the reason this is happening. The school writes subjective test and then you will realize it. According to you, you should get 30 on 26, 27 marks and you will come to 15 marks. Why? Because you have written something properly according to you, but that is not sufficient according to the boards. So teachers won't give you marks for any of the questions like that. Should be proper answer should be there with proper reasons, proper point wise. Paragraph questions will not be accepted in science answers. So there you have to write proper in stepwise manner, point wise you have to write. Word answers are not accepted. They are all sentences. Although it is a 1 mark question, once a question is asked which has a word, single word is the answer, but you cannot write as a word. You have to make a full sentence for that. So some packets of food. Yeah.
This chapter is over, right? After this,
Yes, it's over. Theory part.
we're not revising the radical and stuff.
Questions. Very short question, short answer questions. 1 mark. Objective questions. These are. First answer. We'll tell one by one. Abhinaya, first answer. Shiny finish of wall after whitewash is because of
Calcium carbonate, ma'am.
calcium carbonate, right? Electrolysis of water. Calcium carbonate. Fine. And then a second answer.
4:1.
Not expected, Ananya. Anisha,
2:1.
the simple question. Ankur,
Yes, ma'am. Third one, ma'am.
Ma'am, are we supposed to write all?
not needed. If you think you want to write it down. Ankur, what's the answer? One, is that right?
C is the answer, ma'am. Third
Iron
one.
metal is getting oxidized is right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am. Iron metal is getting true, ma'am.
Water is getting reduced is right or wrong?
Right, ma'am.
Water acts as reducing agent?
Water acts as reducing agent. No, ma'am.
Water acts as oxidizing agent?
Yes, ma'am. So 1, 2, and 4. C is the answer.
C is the answer. Dhawan, Dviti, mic working? That's easy anyway. We'll tell the answer.
I'll answer.
No. The process of respiration is? It's in a one by one. I'm coming down.
Yes, ma'am.
The process of respiration is?
Is it D, ma'am?
An oxidation reaction which is exothermic. That's right. It is oxidation because reaction with oxygen. Now write the answers of everything. Give an example of double displacement reaction. Mithun.
Ma'am, BaCl2 plus Na2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus NaCl.
Don't forget this.
Precipitate. Wait.
Name the reducing agent in the given below chemical reaction. Nishant B. Nishant B. What is the reducing agent here? Yes, Nishant, I'm asking your answer. What? Yes, ma'am. What is the answer I'm asking? Next, Nishant.
Ma'am, same question, ma'am.
Yeah, same, seventh one.
Aluminium is a reducing agent as it gets oxidized by gaining oxygen.
Okay, aluminum. Yes, just tell the name, this one, answer of this. Name the brown colored gas evolved when lead nitrate crystals are heated in dry test tube. Nishant again.
Ma'am, nitrogen gas, ma'am.
Nitrogen gas?
Nitrogen dioxide gas, ma'am.
Nitrogen dioxide gas, right? Rishi, next question. Give reason silver chloride is stored in dark color bottles.
Because silver chloride is highly reactive.
No.
Mom, can I do?
Sai Kripa?
Ma'am, silver chloride is it undergoes photolithic decomposition when it's exposed to sunlight. So it's stored in dark room so that it doesn't convert to, or it doesn't the equation. It doesn't convert it to Ag and Cl.
Chlorine.
Yeah.
Silver chloride undergoes photolytic decomposition when exposed to sunlight. To prevent this, it has to be stored under dark color bottles. Saptarshi. Copper vessels loses shine when exposed to air.
Ma'am, it's because of the tarnishing of copper, ma'am.
You have to
When
explain
exposed
what is
to,
tarnishing of
yes,
copper.
ma'am.
You need to explain.
It is the wearing away of copper when exposed to carbon dioxide and water, ma'am.
Exposed to air reacts with atmospheric carbon dioxide and water.
Yes, ma'am.
So due to formation of copper carbonate, it loses its shine.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone start writing answers. Copper, when exposed to air, combines with carbon dioxide and moisture and form carbonates and hydroxide layer. Due to formation of this layer, the copper loses its shine. Iron displaces, Shilia. Iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. Shilia, answer.
Because iron is a less reactive metal than copper.
Ah. Iron is less reactive.
No, ma'am. Sorry. Iron is more reactive than copper, ma'am.
Iron is more reactive than copper, therefore has a property of displacing copper from copper sulfate. Identify the type of reactions. Varnika. First one.
Ma'am, the first one is a decomposition reaction because one substance is decomposed to form two or more new substances.
Okay. Vishnu, my second one.
Melting of ice of the one.
Identify the type of reactions. I'm not reached till 12th question.
I can't see the question in my screen. Can you scroll up? I can't find the question. Which one, ma'am?
10th one.
Second one, right? In 10?
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Double displacement.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am. So the more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal.
Yes.
Right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay.
Abhinaya, what type of reaction it is?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Hansika.
Ma'am, because yesterday and in the beginning of class today you weren't able to hear me. I'm using a different laptop, that's why.
Yeah.
Sometimes it works and doesn't, but I'll change the laptop.
Okay. Yes, Abhinaya, reaction. Second one, type of reaction. Displacement. That's right.
Yes.
Why it is called displacement?
Is
No, Vishnu, my wait. She is telling the answer. I given you chance and you told me double displacement.
idle displacement.
Double displacement, you told. Why it is called displacement?
Ma'am, lead displaces copper, ma'am.
Yes. Third one, Ananya.
I'll be leaving
Cl2.
join my screen frozen.
This is Cl2. Ananya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, third one.
It is a combination reaction.
There also question mark?
No, ma'am.
Then
It's a combination reaction, ma'am.
why?
Because there are two reactants and then the product comes, and it's not the other way around.
Okay. Fine. Anisha, next one.
Ma'am, it's a decomposition reaction.
Reason?
Ma'am, because one complex substance is breaking down into two.
One complex substance into breakdown into two, form two compounds. Right. Next, Dhawan. Next answer. Fifth one. Dhawan, what's the answer? Are you there? No. Dviti? It's not displacement. Dviti, which type of a reaction is this? It's double displacement, right? Janani, next. Sixth one. H2 plus N2 gives NH3. Nishant, seventh one. Yes, right combination it is. Nishant, D. Seventh one. D. Nishant, D. Nishant, when I'm not asking you, you fill up the full message. Why there is a question mark? Why there is a question mark? Is it? There's a simple type of reactions you have to find out. That is also you're not able to do. Mithun, next question. What changes do you observe in the INL and color of copper sulfate solution if INLs are dipped in copper sulfate solution for 15 minutes?
Ma'am, the color of the blue solution, which is copper sulfate, disappears. And as iron displaces copper to form ferrous sulfate, which is
They
apple.
are asking, what do you observe? Observe, what is there?
Yes, ma'am.
They're not asking what happened.
Yes, ma'am. It changed to apple green.
Green. Okay, it's not apple green, pale green.
Yes, ma'am.
One. What happens to iron nails?
Iron nails, the surface of the iron nails will be coated with copper.
Yes, right. The surface of the iron nail is coated with copper, and copper sulfate solution color changes from blue to green due to formation of iron sulfate.
Yes, ma'am.
Identify the chemical change. Anyone can tell the answer.
Ma'am, it's milk into curd.
Milk into curd conversion. Why is respiration considered as exothermic reaction?
Because it produces energy, ma'am.
Which
during
energy?
respiration.
Which
Heat
energy?
energy.
They need to mention it is heat energy. So you have to write it properly, full sentence. It will not be only this much part. What is happening, the process you have to explain.
So when in presence of oxygen, glucose breaks down to give carbon dioxide, water, and heat energy. Heat energy. So in this process, energy is produced. So it is a exothermic reaction.
That's right. Why do copper vessel lose shine when they exposed to air? Just now the Saptarshi has already told. Saptarshi, next question. Potato chips manufacturer fill the packet of chips with nitrogen gas. Why?
Ma'am, so that it doesn't get spoiled, ma'am.
2-mark question this is.
Okay. Ma'am, the nitrogen gas prevents thing. Prevents oxidation of fats.
How?
I don't know how to explain it, ma'am.
Vishnumaya? Yes, Vishnumaya?
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
So they do this because if nitrogen is flushed inside that, it prevents the entering of oxygen. As oxygen, when comes in contact with food, it causes rancidity or spoilage. When oxygen comes in contact with fat, so chips contain oil and nitrogen is flushed so that it doesn't get spoiled.
Not right. One statement missing.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in this.
1 second. Let me ask for answer. If it is right answer, then I will come back to you. Yes, others, anyone knows the answer proper? One sentence is missing in her answer.
Ma'am, is it
Ma'am?
because that like nitrogen prevents the oxidation of the food present in it to the
She told that.
Ma'am, we have
Combined with the food.
Ma'am, should we
Oxygen is very reactive, and nitrogen prevents oxygen from reacting with.
Couldn't get nitrogen?
Ma'am, oxygen is very reactive and it will react with the chips, and that will spoil it. But the nitrogen prevents it from like getting in contact with the chips because the bag is filled with nitrogen.
That's she told. One thing is missing.
Nitrogen is
Ma'am, we have
inert
to.
at room temperature.
Exactly. Nitrogen gas is inert at room temperature. When we flush nitrogen, so nitrogen won't react with the food, the chips, fats present in the chips. And as well as due to presence of nitrogen, oxygen will not be available. So then it will prevent no oxygen, so no oxidation takes place. Clear? So why nitrogen? Because nitrogen won't react. And due to filling of nitrogen, no space for air. That is oxygen. So therefore, oxygen will not react and itself also will not react. So that you have to mention. You need to mention about the nitrogen gas inertness. This now Anika, ask you a question.
No, ma'am, it's clear.
What was the question?
Ma'am, like in these type of questions, I had a doubt. Like it seemed like a 1 or 2 mark question, so I had a doubt if we had to explain the definition of rancidity.
Properly. Not needed rancidity. Only oxidation of food you can write. Fats and oils you can mention.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. This one done. This one done. What happens when quicklime is added to water?
It forms calcium hydroxide because
Yeah.
calcium oxide plus H2O is equal to calcium hydroxide.
Yes. And one more thing, the problem you have done, that is, whenever the question is asked what happened, so it doesn't mean only you have to write the statements, you have to mention the reaction as well. You have to write the reactions along with statements.
Me, ma'am?
Everyone, not you only. Otherwise, you will lose marks.
It is an exothermic reaction.
No, equations, sorry. Equations you have to mention. When the question is asked, what happened when quicklime is added to water? So generally what people do, once I have seen the students have done, quicklime added to water, it will form lime water or calcium hydroxide is formed. So you have to mention the equation, sorry. You have to mention the equation. Calcium oxide plus water gives out calcium hydroxide and also heat is produced.
Yes, ma'am.
So that also you need to write. Equations is always mandatory. Whenever you feel that is equation, if I will write, it will support my answer. Yes, you have to mention there the equations. In electrolysis of water, name the gas collected at cathode and anode. Kirtana. In electrolysis of water, name the gas collected at anode and cathode.
At cathode, it's hydrogen.
Okay.
And at anode, it's oxygen.
Anode is oxygen, right? And then why the volume of one gas collected at one electrode is double than the other.
Ma'am, because we get water in a fixed ratio, so 2 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen makes water.
Then how you will collect this one? How you will get it back? So that's you have to write. So instead of combination, write the decomposition. When one molecule of water breaks down, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen are released. So the number of moles of hydrogens are double than the number of moles of oxygen. And therefore the volume ratio is 2:1.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are few drops of dilute H2SO4 added to water?
Ma'am, in this reaction, ma'am.
Yes, the same reaction, the C part it is.
To make it conductive, ma'am.
To make it conductive, distilled water does not conduct current. To make it conductive, to perform electrolysis, sulfuric acid has to be added. Okay. Then in this given reaction, this we have already done. Question. Anisha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 14 question. Metal salt MX when exposed to light splits up to form metal M and gas X2. Metal M is used to make ornaments, whereas X2 is used in making bleaching powder. The salt MX is used in black and white photography. Identify the metal.
Ma'am, metal M is silver.
Okay.
And ma'am?
X2 is?
Ma'am, chlorine.
Chlorine.
And then MX is silver chloride.
Reaction?
Ma'am, 2 AgCl.
Yes.
2 AgCl. Like 1 second. 2 AgCl on like
on decomposition.
Yeah, on decomposition gives 2 Ag plus Cl2.
2 Ag plus Cl2. Next, Saigrupa, 15th one. Saigrupa, 15 question.
Yes, ma'am, just give me 1 second.
Or Rishi, any one of you try?
Did you tell something? No?
15th one.
Ma'am, X is iron and YSO4 is YSCU.
No. Rishi?
Ma'am, X is Fe and YSCU.
No. Yes, Rishi. Okay. X's? No. She told and I told no.
Is it zinc because it is used for galvanization?
Yes, right. X is zinc. Y was right. That is copper sulfate. X is zinc. X is used in galvanization. That is zinc is used in galvanization. Okay. Start maths now. Already 9:12.
On revision, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you just tell me what is galvanization again? I mean the definition.
Coating with zinc. Coating a layer of zinc. Any metal when it is coated with zinc is called